Go check it out. Play Crate is awesome. The guys at Play Crate are awesome. And every month we get a little bit of excitement and this or something.
And follow them on Instagram.
Yeah, their Instagram is awesome. And more often than not, it doesn't have much to do with actually Play Crate. They just do awesome baseball memes and it's pretty hilarious.
Yep.
They got a great Instagram. Ready to open this, dude?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do this.
And his name is John Cena.
Dude.
Dude.
Oh. You fit that to your dome.
I'm a BP king. This is awesome. Yes.
Nice.
I'll wear that.
Here you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hot down. Hot down.
Oh man, hold
Oh
on.
my gosh.
Oh, you're rocking it. Big heads here, big heads. All right, they got their hats on, adjusted to their right fittings.
You want to
All
trade?
right. No, I'm the BP king.
I'm the hot dog king, I guess.
Alright, so next thing, it helps you get better quick hands, better bat speed, and more power. So you put it on your thumb, and then it just kind of helps you hit better.
Helps adjust your grip properly.
Just grip, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I'm gonna eat these a lot.
These are breakfast seeds.
Breakfast seeds.
Breakfast.
Cinnamon toast.
Oh, yum. Bet you those
Yummy.
are gonna be sweet.
Those will be good in early morning games. What?
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Evolution. So first is a small little monkey, then another monkey, then it gets bigger, and it turns into a batter.
Nice.
That's cool. Sticker.
It's got a promo code for the
promo
seed
code.
replace too. So
Oh,
that's cool.
really?
So you can get 20% off seeds. So
Oh, that's
I'll
cool.
have to check out their website. I'm sure they got a bunch of different
If
seeds.
you use it, if you do go,
Well, no, they got to get their own Play Crate to figure out to get the promo code, bro. Boom!
Ooh.
Sorry about that.
okay.
Free video lesson. That's cool.
Video lesson.
So you basically upload one of your videos and then you,
They give you feedback.
yeah.
Very cool. What is it?
Licorice.
Thank you.
Baseball.
There's always something in there for
Oh,
Mama.
look, Baby Ruth.
Cool.
The Great Bambino?
Baby Ruth?
What?
What's that guy's name? Baby Ruth? Just kidding.
They know.
Leave
you're
a comment
referencing
down
this.
below if
Oh,
you know what movie that's from.
There you go. I think they know.
You should. Next is it helps you choke up, or you could put it on the knob of your bat, like you know the grip tape, and then the knob. You could put it to make it more thick.
You can double it up to help you
Double it
choke
up.
up a little bit, or
Okay.
it says it helps end the bat sting.
Ooh, yeah.
You guys,
Bat
comment down
sting
below if
is
you have
never
bat sting.
good. Oh.
My bat.
It's no bueno.
You feel like you're getting electrocuted.
How'd that go again?
You look like you're getting electrocuted.
Well, that'd be good if that gets and you can stack them up. That's cool to choke it up. Well, once again, another awesome Play Crate. Thank you to the guys at Play Crate for sending these out.